Oh my god. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you're new. If you are new, hello, I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. So today is a super exciting video because we're going to be testing the brand new Revolution X Soph Collection number 3. I couldn't not pick this up. It launched literally 5 o'clock on the dot yesterday when she put up her new video, and you best believe I bought as much as I possibly could. So I got the brand new Super Spice Eyeshadow Palette. I also got the highlighter duo. This is the lightest one in the shade Sugar Frosting. And I also picked up the lighter version of the lip liner and lip balm. This one's Candy Icing. So the VIP access went up literally yesterday at 5 o'clock and I managed to get mine delivered. I paid for express shipping on Revolution and it's here today. I'm literally filming this tonight as I finish work, so that's why it's up a little bit later than what I would have liked, but let's just get straight into it. So we have the Super Spice Eyeshadow Palette, and this is the packaging. I think the packaging is absolutely stunning. So this is just what it looks like. As you can see, the gold is reflective and it's gorgeous. It's like that nude kind of packaging from her previous palette. So I was watching her review video yesterday and she said that it's in kind of cardboard packaging this time in comparison to the plastic to make it more obviously like recyclable. So it has the mirror inside and then look at her. She is absolutely beautiful. And this is just what it looks like close up. So as you can see, it's got reds, oranges, yellows, purples, pinks, green, blue, lilac. It's got loads of shimmers in it. This cookie dough one here is also from her previous palette because she said that she loved it so much. And obviously it's got a little bit of green sparkle, a bit of blue sparkle. You've got some neutrals in there as well. So there's quite a lot of different looks that you can do with this. And she did say that if you wanted to kind of deepen up some of the colours, you can mix it in with the black, obviously lighten up, you can mix it in with the white shade in here as well. So the palette was £12, so a little bit more than what you would pay normally for the Soph palettes, but I do think that it is absolutely beautiful. And then the next one that I got is the highlighter duo. So this is the lightest shade. This retails for £8. There's currently 3 for 2 on the Revolution website, so whilst you're watching this, check it out just in case it's still on that offer. But this is what it looks like. This obviously is the lighter one. I do think I'd be able to get away with the medium one, but I'm going to see what this one's like first and see whether I actually need the medium one or not. So this is Sugar Frosting. So there's this one, there's a medium one, and then there's obviously a darker one as well. And then I also picked up obviously the lip liner and lip balm set. So this is very different for Revolution. I've never known them kind of do a lip liner and a lip balm little set before, which is really, really exciting. And obviously the compact itself is really nice. I haven't actually opened this. I must have got back into my work after my parcel came, so I haven't opened this. So this is what the packaging looks like. So obviously that kind of rose gold, I think it's really, really, really cute and really, really soft. And she said it has like a vanilla scent to it. Oh yeah, it does. It has like a sweet smell to it, but it's not too overpowering, but you can definitely smell it. I don't normally get on with Revolution lip liners, so I'm interested to see whether this is the same formula, whether she's changed up a little bit. Would be interesting to see because it looked beautiful. When she did that reveal video, it just looked absolutely gorgeous. So let's zoom you in. And let's put this on my eyeballs, let's do some swatches and let's just get straight into it. So this is the palette swatch. This shade, oh my god, unbelievable. The other shimmer isn't as pigmented, but I'm guessing it's not meant to be because otherwise it'd probably be that formula. I love the colours in here. I think there's so many different things that you could do with this palette and it makes me so excited. I feel like I'm definitely going to have to do at least 2 different looks on my channel using this because it is beautiful. In Soph's video, she did mention that it is best to kind of prep the eye and put something down for the eyeshadows to kind of stick to, which is what I would normally do anyway. So I'm obviously going to be using my P. Louise base in room number 2 as always, and just tapping this all over the eye just to prep for the eyeshadows. So I'm going to go for a more green look, I think. We're going to go in with this fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M513. And we're going to go in with the shade, I'm just going to say Maman. I can't say it. It's French for mum, I think. And I'm sure her mum picked this one because it's kind of green. Obviously, she absolutely loves gardening from what Soph was saying. So that's why she picked the green one. I know her mum picked one, her dad picked one, her dad picked the purple, and then her brother picked the shimmery blue, which I thought was so cute. I know Soph is like so close to her family, so I thought that was actually adorable. I'm actually wearing my Soph and Skinny Dip top to celebrate the occasion. I absolutely love Soph. I've watched her for years and years. She did say in her video as well that you can use the white and the black to intensify or to lighten up any of the shades that you wanted to kind of deepen or lighten or vibrant up a bit. So I'm going to take a little bit of To Be Fair, which is, she's definitely right when she said in the video that it is very kind of like a British thing to say, because it's something that like I didn't really 100% notice that I say, but I actually say it a lot, to be fair. So I'm just using that just to blend out these edges, and I'm actually just using one of the little Roxy brushes from Roxy's collab. I have a full video testing Roxy's collab. If you want to go check it out, I'll have it linked down below for you. Well, that was really easy and simple to blend, not gonna lie. I want to add, and this is gonna be a bit scary, but I want to add some of the black, but we're going to be brave, boys and girls, today. And we're going to go in with, oh, it's actually another Roxy brush, funnily enough. And just this little brush here. And it's quite a bit of kickback in the palette, whether that bothers you or not. Oh my God, look at this as well. So the purple, I accidentally spilt some makeup remover in it. So it's stained. So then I tried to dry it with my hairdryer, which then made this shade go funny, so I had to scratch all the top of it. Hey ho, but anyways, as I was trying to say, I'm going to use Night Owl, which is the black. It has got a shimmer in this black. I don't know if she mentioned that in a video, or whether the video was like 30 minutes long, so I don't know whether I just actually just zoned out or whatever. But we're going to be brave, and we're going to go in with this black, mainly in this kind of outer corner. I think I'm just going to add a little bit to begin with, to be fair, like that. Oh my God, I've just said I'm going to notice me saying to be fair now, aren't I? There's another one in here that she said that, oh yeah, not going to lie, this is beautiful. Like, it's such a British thing to say as well. So I'm just going to put that in the outer bit for now, because for the shim shim on the eyeball, we're going to go in with Festive, which she said she named because she loves Christmas, which is kind of like a more forest kind of green. I'm just going to put this, oh my God, that is beautiful. I'm going to focus this kind of on this inner part in half. Oh, okay, not going to lie, I wasn't expecting to go green with today's makeup look, but I'm really happy that I did. With this palette, the one colours that I'd probably gravitate to would be the kind of red, orange, yellow, or like the neutral and the gold. So I thought, you know what? Let's push ourselves today and let's go for something a little bit different. So just going back in with Night Owl. Yeah, Night Owl. Just to deepen up this outer corner and to start blending it into the Festive shimmer. I am so happy with how this is turning out. So going in with the same Roxy brush that we were using for the outer corner with Night Owl, I'm actually going to put a little bit more on. I have a really nice idea of like a really over the top makeup look inspired by Missa, one of her recent videos. So let me know if you want to do another video with a tutorial on this, but using a really extreme makeup look, pushing myself past my comfort zone, because I'll definitely do that. So actually I'm going to switch it to just this little Spectrum brush. This is the A07 brush, and I'm going to switch that and just kind of pack this on the under eye. And I'm going to take that big brush that we used for the green one and just kind of run this around the edge of that black, just to kind of tie it all together. So for the inner corner and brow highlight, we're going to go in with a little Morphe 149 brush, little tiny one, and we've got to try this mirror ball shade because it looks beautiful. So it's this one here. This palette is honestly gorgeous. I'm not going to lie, and I have said this to my Patreons and in Alex's Patreon group chat as well, and in Lizzie's Patreon too, to be fair. I am quite disappointed that she didn't bring blushes out, because I feel like obviously with the highlighters she has done that before. It would have been nice to obviously have, oh my god, that's gorgeous. It would have been nice to have some blusher from her, because I think she'd do it really well. And I thought, I mean, we all kind of thought as well, that it was going to be, just putting a little bit on this lower lash as well. We also thought that it was going to be an eyeliner that she was going to bring out as well, because all of her looks had eyeliner in it, but obviously it wasn't part of like the collection. I wasn't expecting the lip kit. I think that is definitely a really clever and like clever move, and it's definitely a very soft thing with the lip balms and stuff. And the palette's really nice. I didn't get the mini one because I just didn't see the point of it, because it's kind of 6 of the colours are from her original, or one of her original palettes, and then 2 of them are kind of like new shimmers. So I was like, I don't need that. It would be good for travelling, but I don't need it, which is why I kind of passed on it. But yeah, it just would have been nice to have some blushes. I'm just going to pop this underneath here as well. This mirror ball is gorgeous. Very impressed. Right, I'm going to finish off my like base and everything like that. We'll come back, we'll try the highlighters, and then we'll try the lip kit as well. I am so beyond excited. Okay, so base makeup is on. I will go through at the end everything that I've put on my face. Don't you worry, my honey. But let's put some of this highlight on my face, because this looks beautiful. So I'm going to start to begin with the lighter shade here, and just going to go in with my Peaches and Cream PC17 brush. I absolutely love this brush for highlighter. This is meant to have more pearl in it than her original highlighter palette. I have recently fell in love with her highlighter palette. Okay, that is gorgeous. Okay. So I'm definitely excited to try this. This is gorgeous. So this is just the one lighter shade by itself. I'm going to go in with the second shade, which doesn't have the little S mark. As you can see already, there is a tint on my skin from my blusher. So I just put it on top. Oh, I need to swallow then. I try not to swear on my channel, but holy fuck. Oh my god, that is blinding. Oh wow, okay. Did not expect that, especially not from that second shade, because the second shade looks like it'd be a bit more of like a natural one, but oh my god. It looks wet. Oh my god, this is beautiful. My camera can't even focus. My camera is dazzled by its beauty. Do you know what's really nice as well about it is it's very blinding and very kind of pigmented, and like, look at that, looks wet, but it hasn't emphasised any of my texture at all. Okay, that's giving me a bit of a highlight tash, and not gonna lie, oh my god, really impressed by this. Emma Fleming, in case you're watching this, because I know every now and again you watch my videos, you need to check out these highlighters, because that is some Emma Fleming highlighter. Like, that is some blinding. Wow, okay. I was a bit skeptical. Well, not skeptical, but I was slightly a bit disappointed that she did another highlighter, but I understand now. I understand why. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. For £8. Wow. Just actually wow. Okay, so last but not least, we have the lip kit. So this is different to any of the other Revolution lip kits that have ever come out, or any just lip kits in general. I've never really known anybody do this before. So it has a lip balm and the lip liner in. So let's start with the lip liner to begin with. It's a lot more pink than I expected, but really smooth. you know what, I've been really struggling to overline my top lip to kind of balance out my lips recently. That was really easy to do with that lip liner, which shows a lot because I've been struggling to do that with my favourite lip liners like Doll Beauty, MAC. That was just smooth. Effortless and smooth, this is what I like. And then we have the lip balm, which has a slight kind of vanilla, fresh kind of sweet scent to it, which obviously matches the collection really, really well. So this is just the lip liner. Ignore my dry lips. They're always dry no matter what. And then this is it with the lip balm. In the centre, what do we think? I think it makes your lips look nice and juicy. Definitely. So this is the finished look. Right, let's start with the palette. £12. I really, really like the packaging. Really think it's beautiful. Really wish I hadn't spilt, but makeup remove it in that purple. But it's still swatched really, really beautiful. You can see in the palette, I don't know if you can see, there's quite a lot of kind of kickback from that green shade. Hadn't noticed it too much with the others, but I hadn't really dipped into it quite a lot like I did the green one. So if that bothers you, it really doesn't bother me at all. I think the colour selection is really, really nice. I think out of all of her palettes, this probably would be the one that I'd be more gravitated towards. I feel like there's so much more that you can do with this palette. You can do a full sunset eye, you could do a purple eye, you can do a green eye, a blue eye, a normal neutral eye. Like, you can do so much of this palette. I think it's just really, really versatile and really, really impressed with it. Really impressed with pigmentation, how easy it is to blend it. I love the fact that there's a white and a black in it to kind of deepen shades and kind of customise the palette as well, so it suits all skin tones, which is definitely something that she mentioned in her video as well. In regards to the highlighter, I definitely want to pick up the medium now, because I think it's like a touch a little bit too light for me, like just a tiny little bit. Like, I can definitely get away with it, but I think the medium one would be beautiful, especially with a tan. Oh, I just think it's gorgeous. So I personally would prefer these over her original highlighter palette, but I still think both of them are beautiful, and I totally get now why she brought out more highlighters, because this is a different formula. This is something else. Like, this is just unbelievable. So impressed, so proud of her, so proud of her. And then last but not least is the lip balm and lip liner set. I think it's just a perfect Soph idea, I really do. Candy icing, and yeah, the lip liner was really, really, really nice. The lip balm, obviously something that they've never done before. I really like the packaging. It's just Soph, isn't it? It really is, and I'm really impressed. Really am. As for what's on the rest of my face, I put on some of the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow, but I forgot to keep it out as my primer. Just felt a bit bougie today. And then I tried this for the first time. This is the AX1 Invisiwear Liquid Foundation, the shade 2.0. Not too sure how I feel about it, to be honest with you. For setting my face, as always, just use that translucent one from Revolution from a Christmas gift set. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan as my bronzer. As you can see, I absolutely love it. Then for the blusher, which gives me a bit of kind of shim anyways, is the Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus blusher. Absolutely love this. I only have this in a foundation from the brand, and I love both of them. I need to try more from the brand, to be honest with you. For lashes, obviously Ardell Bottom Mascara and the Relove Revolution Power Lash Volume Mascara. I've got a full video testing the full Relove Revolution brand as well. Another one of Revolution's products, my concealer, my favourite concealer in the whole world. This is Concealer Define Infinite. Has to be the Infinite one. I love that one so much more. And then just for brow gel, just use a little clear one, to be honest with you. I haven't really done anything with my brows today. This is the Makeup Obsessions Clear Brow Gel, and that's everything that I've got on the rest of my face. I cannot get over this. Wow. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to order the medium one from Beauty Bay. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Revolution playlist down below if you're interested in any other Revolution videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll hopefully will see you in a new video. Love you. Bye.